everyone, my name is Ashrusha Sandawar and I am currently studying in my final year at Mechanical Engineering, Gokte Institute of Technology. Just like any other student, I was really worried about my degree after my PU, and due to the overwhelming options available, I know that it can be a really stressful process. But like me, if you are interested in a practical field like mechanical engineering, then Gokte Institute of Technology might just be the place for you. As a student of mechanical engineering here at GIT, I've had the pleasure to be a part of really great curriculum and use the state-of-the-art facilities present here at our college. A few of these facilities include well-equipped laboratories, workshops and classrooms.
My name is Raj Yogesh Bichu and I am a student of mechanical engineering at KLS Gokte Institute of Technology. As the topper of the mechanical department, I must mention that the teaching standards here are exceptional. The professors are approachable, knowledgeable and passionate about the subjects. They go out of their way to make the subject matter understandable for each and every student. The college also provides us opportunities in the field of extracurricular activities. I participated and won in almost all the national level cultural festivals because of the encouragement provided by the college. I also got the opportunity to become the General Secretary of the Student Council for the year 2022-23. We conducted Aura 23, which was a huge success. We participated at various other national level competitions and also won the general championships. Overall, I must say that I am very appreciative to attend GIT.
The department has a dedicated training and placement cell which has provided students with industrial training and soft skill trainings and any other kind of training you would require to get a job at an esteemed institution. Many of my friends have been placed into leading industries such as Dassault Systems, Mercedes-Benz, Kirloskar, just to name a few.
My name is Mustaqim Zardoz, a final year student pursuing my bachelor's in mechanical engineering from KLS Gokte Institute of Technology, Belgavi. The main reason I chose KLS GIT for my mechanical engineering degree is because of its excellent facilities and opportunities by the department. Students in the mechanical department are encouraged to take multidisciplinary projects which encourage them to participate in various competitions. These projects allowed me to work with the students of different departments and also collaborate with them to build innovative solutions to real-life problems. KLS GIT also provides us with excellent placement opportunities. We have a dedicated placement cell at a college that works tirelessly to ensure that the students are placed in the top companies. I'm thankful for the training provided by the placement cell and the department that I was able to secure a job at Kirloskar Pneumatic Company with an excellent package of 6.6 LPA. I can confidently state that KLS Gokte Institute of Technology is the best place to study mechanical engineering.
The faculty is undoubtedly the greatest strength of the department. They have also arranged guest lectures, workshops and seminars so that we could be updated with the current trends in the mechanical engineering sector. One of the MOUs our college has is with Shibaura Institute of Technology, Japan. I was one of the students selected to be a part of cross-cultural engineering program which was held at Shibaura Institute of Technology in Japan in December 2022. The department is committed to excellence and has helped me to face problems not only as an engineer but also as a person. So if you are looking for a place to develop your skills and apply them in a real world, this is a place for you. Thank you.